Welcome to the world of microgreens. In this video, you're gonna learn everything there is to know about the world of microgreens, how to grow them, the nutritional benefits, and also lots of recipes. So stay tuned.
Hey there, future farmers. Are you wanting to learn how to grow your own microgreens, but just don't know where to begin?
So on this channel, we're gonna cover all the topics related to microgreens, not only how to grow them, but their nutritional benefits and some recipes. So he is the farmer and I am the holistic health coach. And together we make a great team. We're located here in Southern California and we do locals farmers markets, and we want to share all of our secrets to nature's superfood.
One of these topics that we will be covering will be the farming, growing your own microgreens indoors, in a controlled environment, and also in a small space. You don't need a lot of space to grow them.
The second topic will be all about the nutrient benefits. Why eat 8 servings of vegetables a day when you only have to eat a few ounces of these microgreens? They pack a powerful punch of nutrients, up to 40 times the amount in your adult counterpart vegetables. And then the last topic is going to be all about recipes. I will share so many recipes with you that are so easy to implement these microgreens, and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to be a chef. Super simple, easy ways to get your nutrition. We love to be educational, inspiring, and also pretty silly. So follow us because this is a brand new adventure and we will be posting weekly videos on Mondays. Set your notifications and support our channel by liking, sharing, and following.
See you in the next video.